So Tucker has ants around her toilet and outside of her home, and she's wondering, is there anything that will kill ants naturally? We can all get the raid and all that stuff, but
Yeah.
she's looking for a natural, and she's wondering, will vinegar work?
So it's an interesting question. A lot of people use any strong selling smelling substance. So vinegars, lemon juices, anything that has a sharp odor will actually, when sprayed into an area where the ants are walking, they disrupt the pheromone trail. So ants follow each other because they are smelling the trail. So the only thing the vinegar does is it just wipes out the trail, it wipes out the smell, but it's only good for a couple of days, maybe
Mm,
3 days at the most.
mm.
My concern about the toilet, though, is that they are probably thriving in a moisture situation underneath that toilet. So there may be a
Oh,
problem that a plumber needs to look at
oh,
because ants are going to be looking for water sources. They're a lot like termites. The termites here have to go down into the ground through the mud tubes to gain water, and then they will come back up through those tubes in order to access the wood, the cellulose that they're consuming. So, yeah, I mean, natural products to kill. The only ones that I'm aware of are the borax or boric acid type of products
hmm.
that will kill. There's a lot of essential oils. I mean, peppermint oils, cinnamon oils, wintergreen, spearmint. Again, those are all sharp smells that will repel the ants for a few days, but it's not a long-lasting effect. There are non-repellent methods, not generally available to a consumer, though. They're going to have to go through a pest control company, a licensed operator. There are products that are very low toxicity that will kill the ants without creating a toxic environment for the families and family
Hmm.
pets and
Hmm.
and the like. So yeah, there's ways to do it, but vinegar's only going to knock them down for a few days, and they'll be
Okay.
back.
All right. And just a shameless plug for you. Do you specialize in Team Bug Out with getting rid of it without having some harsh chemicals, or you go the
So
whole spectrum?
so team
Quickly
team
though,
bug
quick.
out,
Yeah.
yeah, team bug out just believes that we're going to tell you what your problems are. We're going to tell you what the options are, and then you choose how you want to deal with them.
Got it.
So we
Okay.
want to empower the consumer.
All right. If by the chance you want to replay this, because Brad and Cora have some great information coming at you, you can go to LouisvilleAnswers.com. That's a redirect for this show. It's on our YouTube channel. So go to LouisvilleAnswers.com and you'll be able to see as well as hear this show. All right.